So the DJI Avata 360 has launched. I've seen some clips captured with it and my first reaction was literally wow. The quality is insane. It uses 1-inch flagship imaging and can shoot 8K 60 frames per second panoramic video, which is honestly one of the craziest specs I've seen on a 360 drone. And the really cool thing is, because it's shooting everything around you at once, you can completely change the framing afterwards. You basically just fly the drone where you want, hit record, and then afterwards you can decide the angle, the camera movement, the timing, basically everything. It's almost like filming fast and directing later, and that means that you waste basically zero footage. One flight can give you multiple completely different shots, which is kind of perfect for travel videos, cinematic edits, or just everyday content really. What's also really cool is the safety side of this thing. It has integrated propeller guards, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and apparently it can even avoid obstacles in extremely low light, like nighttime low light. That's honestly pretty rare on a drone like this. It seems like DJI is targeting beginners, which is great. You don't need to learn complicated FPV tricks or manual flying just to get cool shots. Fly where you want, capture everything, and then create your masterpiece. This might just end up being one of the best drones for beginners, and I really need to get my hands on one. What about you?